Hello everyone, and in this video I will show you how you can fix GCash device is not secure. So there are few methods that can help you resolve this issue. So the first thing is you need to make sure that your device is not jailbroken or rooty device. GCash cannot be accessed through a jailbroken or rooty device for security reason. If your device is jailbroken or rooted, it is recommended to use a device that is not jailbroken or rooted to continue using the GCash app. The second thing is modified phone settings. If your device has modified system settings such as allowing installation from unknown sources and developer option, you should make sure that all of these options are turned off in your settings. At the end, we have security threat or issues. Your device may be at risk to a new security threat. This is detected by a certified security feature that prevent unauthorized access to GCache account through modified or compromised device. If the above steps are not applicable to you, the best thing is to reach out to the accredited service provider for your mobile device to have your device checked. So hope this helped. This is how you can fix GCache is not secure.